Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got 3 products that'll make your yard work a whole lot easier. I love them, and I know you will too, so let's check them out. Now here we have the Gardener's Friend Ratcheting Pruners. Now it's a great set of pruners for someone with limited hand strength or for someone who wants to just cut thicker branches much easier. Now it's an anvil style pruner, which means that this sharp blade comes down and chops the branch against the lower jaw. But the really cool thing about this is its ratcheting mechanism, which allows you to cut thicker branches a whole lot easier in just 2 or 3 easy squeezes. Now it has a really easy locking mechanism that you can lock it and unlock it with just the flick of your thumb. And it's also got this great onboard cleaning pad. Soak it in mineral oil and then you're able to clean off your blade every time you make a cut, keeping it sharp and making it last a lot longer. Now at $40, it's a little bit expensive, but if you're going to be out in your yard a whole lot, this is going to make your cutting, your pruning a whole lot easier and worth that 40 bucks. Find them on Amazon.com, and that is the Gardener's Friend Ratcheting Pruners. This is the Fiskars Pro Leaf Rake, and it is a true pro tool. So if you're out in your yard a lot, dethatching your lawn, removing dead grass or leaves, this is the tool you want to get. You won't have to replace it because it is super tough. It's got this aluminum alloy handle that's kind of teardrop shaped, so it fits in your hand real nice. And it's got this soft grip, so you're not going to get blisters when you're raking your lawn a lot. Now at this other end, the tines are also really durable. They won't bend and they won't break. And even if they do, Fiskars gives this a full lifetime warranty, which makes the $55 price tag a whole lot easier to swallow. You can find them at Fiskars.com or at online retailers. Remember, that's the Fiskars Pro Leaf Rake. Here is the Gideon electronic timed sprinkler system. Now this is a great product for anyone who wants the benefit of lawn irrigation without having to dig up their lawn or pay someone to install it. Now this is the dual valve system, which can schedule 2 separate hoses, 2 separate times and 2 separate durations. Set the time to which you want your hose to start for each one and set how long you want them to run for, and that's it. You can control where and when you want your lawn to be watered. If it rains, you can press the rain delay button and override the sprinkler schedule. And if you need to wash your car using one of these hoses, you can put it into manual mode and use the hose without messing up your schedule. This dual valve system costs $45 on Amazon, and they also sell a single valve system for $40. Remember, that is the Gideon electronic timed sprinkler system. So there you have it. 3 products that'll make your yard work a breeze. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know you will too. So check us out again next time on Stuff We Love.